Well, Cincinnati has a wealth of firms in the communications arena. We could take our pick from local firms, and so our bias would have been toward a local firm. When I saw some of the work that Anne-Marie and her team were doing for other community foundations, we realized that experience with our unique business might override our interest in having a local firm, and that's when we started really taking a deeper look at what they do.
Institutions that understand how to use the web as an effective part of an overall communication strategy are much more successful than folks who just sort of put everything up on their website and wait to see what sticks.
When we start with a firm who just does web design, we have to spend a lot of time explaining our business, explaining our shorthand, the jargon that we use. And when we talk to the folks at Embolden, they already kind of know our stuff, and so we don't have to get past that learning curve.
Embolden's in the partnership business. They are in the partnership business in the sense that they want to work with organizations and think with organizations and grow with organizations.
A lot of the other designers wanted to push things we did not want to push, and they understood us here. They had been working with the Rhode Island Community Foundation, the Rhode Island Foundation, and that became a critical issue for me, was that I didn't have to constantly explain who we were, what we did, what we were doing. And with the other web designers, it was very cookie cutter.
Sometimes you have a vendor who thinks they're bringing the solution to you and you should just accept the solution they bring, and sometimes you have a vendor who expects you to say exactly what you want and then they'll just execute. This is the perfect balance between creation and execution.
They understand the importance of the security for those finances and having a site that people feel confident that their data is going to be secure and safe.
Embolden really has become our kind of go-to technology vendor. They understand what our needs are and how those all connect.
They also have a really strong communications niche for community foundations, so they understand our business. And the fact that they work with so many of our peers helps us.
Anne-Marie and her team came in with a real knowledge and understanding of the field. That made all the difference, made it a lot faster out of the gate and a lot simpler to build a relationship.
What makes Embolden great is not just that they have done a great job for us, but that they listen well, and that's a huge skill to have in this day and age.
I always tell people that this is the best vendor relationship I've ever had with anyone.
I think the Embolden brand is about certainly their superior technical expertise, but what it's really about to me is the people that I work with.
What's impressed me is when somebody's not here and you've got a problem, there are 5 other people who can help. There's always somebody.
They're not afraid to question their own product. They're not afraid to say, you know, we tried this, but we don't think it looks that good.
But I will also tell you that our CFO, who is responsible for other technology contracts and initiatives, is very envious because he says he has never had a relationship with a technology vendor like I have in the partnership with Embolden.